Bill is back from his Florida vacation, and what better place to celebrate a Cats win over Florida than right there in the midst of all those Gator fans.
He's taking credit, yeah.
We are. We represented down on the beach. We had the UK-10 out there, so yeah, we did our part to cheer them on then, and that was terrific. It was fun,
What a
and
day,
especially
huh?
when you can kind of go, yeah, you got you guys. And today, terrific day out at Fayette Mall with the Salvation
Raising
Army
money for
Cumulus
the hurricane
Radio.
victims.
Shade under $6,600 raised today. Considering the weather, which was less than ideal, and also just kind of the short notice, that was terrific. We want to see you tomorrow out at Southland Christian Church. That all said, let's go ahead and get you into tomorrow. What is it going to look like? Well, the day may start with a little bit of fog. Other than that, we'll go partly sunny. Temperatures in the mid-60s. We're in the upper 70s. More sunshine. Should be a terrific middle of the day tomorrow. On our way to a high in the mid-80s. It's a summertime afternoon. Summertime days are definitely fleeting. Let's talk about all this. And as we do so, we take you to the Max Track Live Doppler. All righty. We still have rain from Florence out there. Here at 11:15, you see the showers in eastern Kentucky, Fleming County, Rowan County. These are working their way toward the south and southeast. You're also looking at a few showers going through, say, parts of Magoffin and Knott County. Rotation continues to go like this from north to south, and then basically looping back up around Charleston, which means the center of low pressure, what's left of Florence, is sitting along just maybe a little to the northwest of this point of Charleston, West Virginia, and it is beginning to accelerate away. In the wake of the storm, Lexington about as much rain as anybody out of this. 1.2 inches or just a shade under that gives us 6 inches for the month of September. We still got days to go here, so we may add considerably to that total. You see lesser amounts of rain when you look across the south, where less than 0.2 of an inch came down in London and Somerset. So Florence beginning to exit the scene, first from Kentucky, eventually off our weather maps, but it may still drop some heavy rain in West Virginia, Pennsylvania, on up through New York and New England over the next 24 hours. This is the last real week of summer. Not meteorological summer, not Labor Day, the end of summer. This is it. The equinox is Saturday, but the heat's coming. Cats Cast looking ahead to next Saturday. It will not be as hot as it was as the broiling sun for the game last Saturday. May not be as dry either. We'll look at all that coming up. So what's going on here with Florence? You've got the rotation going here. We're in the backlash of the storm. This has transformed itself from a tropical system to just a regular old area low pressure. Still has some tropical connections to it. We saw big thunderstorms blossoming out here in the Piedmont from the Carolinas on up into Virginia. Those are some big storms that have been ongoing for those folks. Again, you see the entire rotation here. Watch those big storms fire up. There have been numerous severe weather reports coming out of North Carolina and Virginia during the course of the day. That backlash where we are beginning to head on off to the east and away. So the setup at midnight tonight. Again, what's left of Florence, an area of low pressure, a couple of troughs extending out from it, again trying to take on frontal structure, which a tropical system does not have, but a regular mid-latitude cyclone does. So it's trying to get those characteristics, except that the air mass, there's no differences in the air mass in place. So that's why tomorrow we're going to heat right back up again once we get back into that sunshine. High pressure moving across the south gives us a good looking day. Now that front sitting up here to our north, it's going to have a hard time getting here. That high is going to try and muscle up again, gives us the heat through the week. Looks like our next best chance of rain starts Friday night on into Saturday. Front gets closer, could be a stray shower with it, but it's going to be a real small chance. Temperatures now, we are running for the most part upper 60s to around 70. 72 Bluegrass Airport. Now the reason why we're thinking some fog possibilities, dew point and temperature getting close, light wind, and when those dew point and temperature numbers become equal, that's when you get the patchy fog. Mid-60s tonight. The rain, what's left of it, will be ending. The clouds are breaking up as well. Your day tomorrow, let's go with a sky that becomes partly sunny. A stray shower, it's a small chance, but it's there. It's warmer. It's a humid day still. We're in the mid-80s. A little bit of a breeze going. Here's what your 8-day looks like. Mid-80s on Wednesday. Upper 80s Thursday and Friday with increasing rain chances. First day of fall is on Saturday, as is the UK game, and temperatures will be near 80 with some rain.